Hi, I'm Linda Schoonover, former judge, attorney, best-selling author, mediator, and entrepreneur. And I'm here to share a little bit of advice that I have gleaned over a period of the last 30 years as an attorney and as a judge. I started out probably like some of you did. I was actually hired by a big law firm and worked there for about 5 years. And at that point, they didn't have a mommy track, and I had one child, then I had another one. Anyway, I ended up going out on my own. Now, if y'all have been through this, you know how it is when you're working for a big firm where they're very specialized. I was doing municipal securities and corporate employment law from the defense side, Medicaid applications, and that kind of thing. So when you go out on your own, if you haven't had a lot of litigation experience, there's not a lot that you can do. So I was scrambling to figure out, one, how to run a law practice, and two, what kind of law practice I should go into. And many of you, probably like I did, took anything that walked in the door. So you have a kind of a bus mentality, right? You're starving, or you think you're going to starve, and so you take anything that walks in the door. And you know that leads to a lot of sleepless nights and weekends at the office, and you're scratching your head thinking, what am I going to do? And when you're a sole practitioner, there's not a lot of people you can ask. So I want to help attorneys who are either young attorneys out from law school and trying to hang a shingle, or those transitioning from a big law firm into their own, and those perhaps who are transitioning from a big law firm to a sole practice years later. I've been through a lot of transitions, and I think that I have some information that might help all of you. So I hope you'll listen. I've been through the struggles. I know what it's like to set up, a trust account and really not know how to do that, and try to do your accounting on your own and your ads on your own, and trying to stay clear of ethical issues, and trying to get the clients in the door and have enough to take home, and then you're dealing with the taxes. It's hard to focus, and it's hard to be clear about your goals when you have such a big learning curve and you don't have a lot of support. So, I want to try to get to the point, or help you get to the point, where you can clarify your goals, streamline the process, and really know, the niche. I hope you're doing a niche. The niche that you're trying to carve out for yourself, the best way to bring in new clients and maintain that clientele over a period of years. I was fortunate enough, I had the ability to buy several properties, and grew my practice from a closet size office to a very large office condominium. And then I ran for judge and was fortunate enough to be elected judge. And that brought on a whole nother learning curve that we'll have to talk about later. But I hope you'll listen to the videos, watch the videos. I'm going to make them short, probably 5 to 7 minutes long, and just a little bit of a takeaway for you whenever you listen in. So have a great day, and I'll be talking to you soon.